In this video, we're going to get a look at email marketing by setting up an account with MailChimp and using SumoMe to capture addresses on our website. Building a strong email list will be vital to establishing your brand online. By having a strong email list, you can directly communicate with your customers' inboxes as opposed to social media or ads where people can easily ignore them. MailChimp is the massively popular email marketing service that is used by millions of people to manage their email list. So to get started, let's go to Sign Up Free. We're going to enter in our email and create a username. Now that we have an account with MailChimp, we're going to get started by creating a list. Now a list is where we're going to store all of our subscribers. So we're going to create a list, and we're going to call this Inspired Trip Email List. The default from email will be inspiredtrip@gmail.com, and the default from name will be The Inspired Trap. And don't forget to give them a reminder of how they got on your list. And scroll down to the bottom. Now MailChimp will send you notifications, so you can choose your settings here. You can either get a daily summary, one-by-one notification of subscribers as they happen, or unsubscribers as they happen. I'm gonna skip this for now. I'll save my settings. And just like that, we have created an email list. So now we're gonna hook up our email list with SumoMe and use it on our website to capture email addresses. SumoMe is a powerful suite of tools that you can use to grow your website's traffic. There are two methods to install SumoMe on your site. Either you can use the HTML code and post it into the header section of your website's template, or you can download the WordPress plugin. We're just going to do the plugin method. So we'll go to our WordPress dashboard, and we'll go to Plugins. And we're going to add the SumoMe plugin by searching for it. We'll install it. And we'll activate it. Now if we go down to the SumoMe tab, it will give us our site ID. So we'll copy this for now, and it'll show you how to get started. So if you go to your website and refresh it, you'll see that this little tab has been added here. And this is your SumoMe app. So it's going to prompt us to create an account. Enter in all your information and submit it. Now your first step will be to go to the Sumo store, and we want to install the list builder. Now this promises to increase your daily email signups by 20%. Well, I don't quite know the exact analytics behind that, nor can I promise that, but this certainly is a powerful way to gain email signups on your website. Just like that, List Builder is installed. And we'll exit out. And we'll go into the List Builder app. So our first step will be to connect our email list with MailChimp. And then choose our email list. Save it. And now, using these settings, you can set when your pop-up prompt will appear. So right now it's set to 5 seconds, so let's just set that to 3 for now. And we'll save that. And we'll go to our design, and this is what our pop-up looks like. So you have the option of changing the color here, so let's do that right now. We'll make it match more of our orange that we have on our tagline. And we'll save it again. Now, if we go to our website, after 3 seconds, the user will be prompted to enter their email address. So you have just taken your first steps to building an email list.